Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kawai ka beriu ka bomla ban itu, bat ka bawan le man le pan na kawai ka yieng. Klatu ya silyang sok skor ka diang jeng wei kana rit ibdang lais nam karta. Kanek la jiak por men sngi ha ka arplai trik jeliu. Ha kawai ka long yieng ka bahap ha ka snong lum charmang mi mentudu. Kat ba ka kemi pat ka dang sa jing trai. Haying la dan tang parakhna sudah kan tuku henmen badang nyau snem. Bat iwei badang si snem. Nrai ha ka te ka por lawan kawai ka beriu ka bara rangkat bat bilar Bat pan di no teu henmen. Bat teu henmen pat la rung sepo yieng bat pendap yo bilar. Nrai ha ka te ka por ka te ka beriu la ai bisa arpo tang ka ya ka ni khana. Bat ot artat ya ka te ka sok skor ka diang jongka. Ka kemi jo ka ni khana ka la kan tui ki pajba. Baladadan menu-menu ki balap bawan terwadi ya ka ni ka sok skor bakin skau bawan pentip show nombor henriu not kendai henriu iwei sau not lai. Bat an ai bai buram ya ki bapentip.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.